Hello friend, welcome back to channel. Till now we have learned how to create a LVM, how to remove it, what's the difference between hyphen capital L and small l while creating LVM. Today we will discuss how to extend LVS. First we'll discuss VGS. So we are having a VG called VG0 which is having free space of 1.93 GB. Okay, and LVS, there's a LV called LV0 which is size of 216 MB and it's not yet mounted. So what we'll do, mount, first we'll mkfs.ext4/dev vg0 lv0 mount /dev vg0 lv0 2/uuid df-h. Okay, perfect. So as you are able to see, our LV0 is mounted on /uuid which is having size of 206 MB. Now I want to extend it. So for extension I should have a free space in VG which I am already having. So lvextend hyphen capital L. So I want to extend it by 1 GB. Okay, whatever the size, I want to add 1 more GB. So what I will use, plus 1G. Okay, and /dev vg0 lv0 and LVS size got changed and from VG is got removed. So in respect of what's the current size, we have extended plus 1 GB means add 1 more GB into this LV. Then resize to FS because it's not yet added to kernel thing. Resize to FS /dev vg0 lv0 now df-h. So using online activity I have extended a partition by 1 GB. Now VGS is 948 free and my LVS size is 1.21 GB. Now again we will run lvextend hyphen capital L. If I am not giving anything, like if I give 1G without plus symbol, so what it will do, it will make file system for 1 GB. Even though our size is 1.12 GB, I am running this command /dev vg0 lv0. See, new size given is 256 extend, not larger than existing size. So existing size is 310 extends and what we are doing, 256 extend. So always remember it should be greater than current size. So 1.22 GB if I can say is the correct size. Okay, because we are extending 0.01 GB. Okay, LVS, okay, 1.22 GB is got extended by 0.01 GB df-h, not yet updated. This size to FS it got updated here. We're not able to see much difference because it is showing in only one value of GB, but here we are getting 2 decimal value. So that's the difference. If you are resizing LVM, you should always think plus or without any symbol, and before doing this you should have space available in VG. If space is not there, you have to add a space in VG first. So you should be very cautious while extending a LVM. There's a much chances of data loss, or you will get overridden, or you will not use the complete size, because once it got extended it is hard to revert it back. Okay, so like why I'm saying this, like my VGS is having 936 MB free. User has requested you to increase the 500 MB, okay, or make it 2.5 GB. Okay, current size is 2.14 LBS, current size 1 GB. So what I want 1.5 GB. correct? But if I'm saying 1.5 GB and user is saying okay, extend it by 500 MB. So let me show you what would be the impact. LV extend -L plus 500 M. Okay, or if I'm not giving plus M, say it will throw error. So for showing purpose, I have extended my VG with 1 more GB. Okay. So now customer is saying to extend my file system by 2 GB. Means it should be the whatever the size, you have to extend by 2 GB. Okay. So what I will do, I should do plus 2G, but by mistaken if I give 2G LVS. Now my LVS become 2 GB VGS, and I am unaware about the previous size. So previous size was, is the previous size 1.22 GB. Okay, so I have extended it by 2 GB. I am not aware about the previous size. Now customer is saying, alright, you have extended by 2 GB, but I told you to make it whatever the size plus 2 GB. So if I again do plus 2 GB, it's not possible because I have already consumed some space. So this is the harder situation. So ultimately what you will do, 1 GB you will do, and LVS you will say, okay sir, I have created for 3 GB, but that's not the correct approach. While extending a file system, you should consider small L or capital L, okay? And the same goes with this plus symbol or without a plus symbol. You want to top up by 2 GB, you want to complete 2 GB. There's the difference. If a file system is 1 GB and you want to extend it by 2 GB, that means you want 3 GB. Or if you are having a partition of 1 GB and you want that partition to become a 2 GB, then in that case you have to add 1 GB, it will become 2 GB. So that's all for today's video. Keep practicing. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.